Alright, this will be the first test of the electric bike. It's not done yet. I've got some tape in place because I'm not sure how I'm going to do this. I'm not going to be able to film because I wanted to, but I mean, if I wish someone else were here right now. I can power it up. I can feel the jolt. Yeah, I could lift up the back tire. Barely because of the weight, but... And there you go. I'm just gonna have to ride and report back because, there's just no way I could. I could. No, I'm not going to. I'm gonna play it safe. Sorry. I just had ride number 1, and it was great. It was a lot of fun. It's just since I've been on a electric bike a couple times. It's like it wasn't quite as fun as it probably would have been had I never had this experience before. But it was pretty cool. It's just you can pull the throttle instead of pedaling, and you just go. It's just a weird feeling. I mean, just going. We do it in a car all the time, but this is different. And you can pedal too. I mean, you can pedal and go. So I still haven't done the pedal assist, and I do have the blue cable connected. So maybe I'll try. Yeah, I don't know. It's I got some stuff to do, but. It's pretty fun. It's kind of a thrill. I mean, it is a thrill. Alright, I'm going to take it on my third ride. First one was out the speed limiter, or with the speed limiter. Second one was out, which was crazy. And this one will be without too, so I've donned my helmet. I will try and record, but I'm not going to hold it in my hand. I'm going to use some of my rigging. It's meant for recording. It's just not really meant for bike recording, but I'm not going to hold it in my hand, so it'll have to work. The worst that could happen is I break my phone. That's fine. And gosh, now I gotta turn. This thing is shaking all over the place. Again, it's not really meant for this. But here we go. 3, 2, 1. You can already feel the wind. Woohoo! Wow. Yeah. It is fast. Alright, here we go. Now I'm glad I got the helmet on. Full throttle! I have no idea how fast they're going. Alright, you know what? I'm gonna hook that up next. Wow. You mean you can get addicted to the throttle, I tell you. Alright.